Whenever we want to store some stuff, we use a container. Variables are the container for storing data. JavaScript variable can be declared in 4 ways. Automatically, using var, using let, using const. Suppose we write x equals to 5, y equals to 6, and z equals to x plus y. In this example, x, y and z are undeclared variables and they are automatically declared when they are first used. But it is a good programming practice to always declare variable before using them. For declaring a variable, we can use var x, y, z, or we can use let, or we can use const. Okay, but suppose we use var. Okay, so here the variables are declared and then x contains the value of 5, y contains the value of 6 and z contains the value of x plus y. We can also mix the declaration of the variables, like for x we can use var and for y we can use let and for z we can use const. Now when to use var, let and const? Like, see, here we can't use const because the value of z can be changed if the value of x and y is changed. We can use const here. We can also use const. We can also use const here, but we can't use const here. See, the value of x will always be 5 and the value of y will always be 6, but the value of z will change with respect to value of x and y. So we have to use here let or var. We use const when the value of variable will not be changed or should not be changed. We also use const with array and objects. We will learn about array and objects in the upcoming videos. We can use let where we can't use const, and var is just when you want to run your code in older version of browsers. The variable in JavaScript is no different from the variable in algebra. Just like in algebra, variable hold values. Just like algebra, variables are used in expression like z equals to x plus y. And with that, we are one step closer to being a JavaScript Jedi. Craving more coding quest? Smash that subscribe. Every like fuels our journey. Code on adventure.